Hi viewers, welcome to my channel.
Hi everyone. Today, in this video we'll be discussing about how to become a data scientist. This is the content in this video I want to show you. Before going to video, like this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Introduction. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to become a data scientist. If you're interested in working with data and using it to solve complex problems, then data science might be the perfect career for you. In this video, we'll cover the basics of what data science is, the skills you need to become a data scientist, and the steps you can take to start your journey towards a career in data science. What is data science? Data science is a field that involves using data to solve complex problems. This can include anything from analyzing customer behavior to predicting stock prices. Data scientists use a combination of statistics, programming, and domain expertise to gather, process, and analyze data to gain insights that can be used to make informed decisions. Skills you need to become a data scientist. To become a data scientist, you'll need to have a solid foundation in math, statistics, and computer science. You'll also need to be comfortable with programming languages such as Python or R. In addition, it's important to have strong analytical and problem-solving skills, as well as good communication skills. Step 1. Learn the fundamentals. The first step to becoming a data scientist is to learn the fundamentals. This includes learning statistics, linear algebra, and calculus. You'll also need to learn programming languages such as Python or R, as well as databases like SQL. And also you want to learn tools and frameworks such as Hadoop, Spark, and TensorFlow. Familiarize yourself with data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI. Step 2. Gain experience. Once you have a solid foundation in the fundamentals, it's time to gain some real-world experience. This can be done through internships, freelance work, or personal projects. You can also participate in online communities like Kaggle or GitHub to practice your skills and collaborate with other data scientists. Step 3. Build a portfolio. To showcase your skills and experience, it's important to build a portfolio. This can include your personal projects, code samples, and any data science competitions you've participated in. A strong portfolio can help you stand out to potential employers and clients. Step 4. Network. Networking is an important part of any career, and data science is no exception. Attend meetups, conferences, and other industry events to meet other data scientists and learn about new trends and technologies. You can also connect with other professionals on social media platforms like LinkedIn. Step 5. Develop soft skills. Data science is not just about coding or working with data, it's also about communication and collaboration. Work on developing your communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills, as well as your ability to present data-driven insights to non-technical audiences. Step 6. Apply for jobs. Once you've built your skills, experience, and portfolio, it's time to start applying for data science jobs. Look for job postings online or reach out to companies directly. Be sure to tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your data science skills and experience. Conclusion. Becoming a data scientist requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. But with the right skills and experience, you can build a rewarding career in a field that's in high demand. So if you're interested in working with data, we encourage you to take the first step towards becoming a data scientist today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you have any question, Ask in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.